Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then click on System. Now you need to select Language and Keyboard. Click on Manage Keyboards. And make sure that Gboard is your default keyboard. You can do that by checking it out over here. And if you wish to switch from your LG, just click on Gboard. In order to continue, tap on Gboard under Manage Keyboards. Now finally select Theme section. Over here you can scroll all the way down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. Now click on the best one for you, in my case this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and finally hit Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings and customize it by tapping on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. If you can't find it over here, you can select one of those apps or click on the top left corner on those three lines and click on one of those sources, like images. Finally, when you clicked on the photo, you can pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done and tap on key border switcher to switch them off or on. Lastly, hit Apply. In order to delete one of your keyboards, click on the chosen one and tap on this pin icon. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to edit one of your custom ones, click on it, tap on this pen icon next to the pin one and make your changes. Then hit Next, tap on Save and remember to choose Apply again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!